Hi guys, I have a little budgie that I bought 2 days ago, and he's sitting on my shoulder and he's not running away from me. I can't believe it. He actually likes me. He's adorable. Sometimes he sits in one spot and he just sits there for a really long time. Yesterday I found him sitting on a carrot and he was sitting on it for almost 2 hours. His name is Quack. I was like, Quack, what is wrong with you? Why are you sitting on that carrot for so long? But he was just very chilled out. And he really likes sitting on the carrot. You can show him the cage. We are here. We're just sitting and chilling, enjoying the moment with my little duck. Well, he's not a duck, but I'm calling him a duck. He's a budgie. I've called him Quack because I'm obsessed with a duck cartoon on YouTube, and that's how I became obsessed with ducks. But he's pretty similar to a duck. He's 4 months old. We think he's a he, but we're not sure yet. Not sure. Okay, bye-bye for now.